In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up deal tagging in HubSpot in just 5 minutes. Deal tagging is a fantastic feature that helps you keep your deals organized, allowing you to manage your workflow more efficiently. So let's dive right into it. First, open your web browser and navigate to HubSpot's homepage. HubSpot is a trusted platform that offers software and tools to elevate your business operations. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to log into your account. If you haven't already signed up, you might want to do that first. Otherwise, go ahead and click on the login button to access your account. After logging in, you'll be directed to the HubSpot homepage. At this point, you want to locate and click on the CRM option. HubSpot CRM, which stands for Customer Relationship Management, is an integral part of managing your business interactions. Next, within the CRM section, find and click on Deals. Deals are where your various transactions live, and it's essential to keep them organized with the use of tags. Now locate the Settings button. This is where you can adjust various configurations within your account. Clicking it will bring up a new set of options. From the Settings menu, choose Pipelines. Pipelines help in visualizing your sales process, making it easier to manage your deals effectively as you guide them through your sales funnel. In the pipeline section, you'll find a feature labeled Deal Tags. Click on it. Deal tags allow you to add specific identifiers to your deals, making them easier to categorize and sort. After clicking on deal tags, look for the option that says Manage Deal Tags. Clicking here will lead you to a more detailed view where you can oversee and customize your tags. To add a new tag, find the Add Tag button and click it. You have the choice here to create tags that are meaningful to your workflow, ensuring they align with your organizational needs. Finally, choose the option Create from Scratch to build your tag set. This feature allows you to be creative and tailor the tags exactly to suit the unique requirements and flows of your business. And there you have it. You've successfully set up deal tagging in HubSpot. Now, your deals can be more easily categorized, letting you access the right information at the right time, boosting your sales efficiency. In just a few minutes, we've enhanced your ability to manage deals effectively. Thanks for following along, and don't forget to explore other features in HubSpot to further optimize your business processes. Happy organizing!